Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Check out our licensed Mercedes C63 AMG foot-to-floor car ride-on. Not only does this look great, but it's also fun too. Your little one will find it easy to push anywhere they like, and it even comes with a working horn. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Check out the realistic brake discs. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.